Hello everyone, I'm Jiayi. Here is my presentation of homework 7, question 7. Now, let's look at this question 7. Firstly, we are given that zt is equal to n1t cosine wt plus theta and plus n2t sine wt plus theta, and where the theta is uniformly distributed in 0 to 2 pi. And we also know the NYT and N2T are WSS is wide sense stationary. Also, they all are independent. So now the first question is find the expectation of ZT. We firstly use a given expression of ZT to replace it in the expectation, and so we can get this. Now we can divide it into two parts, and cos of the n1 and n2 and theta are independent. So these two items can continue be divided this multiplication. Now we can get this. The formula composed by 4 atoms, which are 4 expectation. Also, because we know the N1 and N2 are WSS, so we can ensure that the expectation of N1 and N2 are constant. Actually, we don't need to know the actual value of them. So we replace them in the expression. We can get this. Now we focus on these two integral. We can see they're zero. Yeah. So the final value is 0, which is the expectation of ZT. Okay, the second question is we need to find the RZ and find out if the ZT is WSS. In this question, we just express the RZ by the definition. So the RZ is equal to the expectation of ZT1 times ZT2. Like above, we replace the expression given in the description in this, so we can get this. And after taking over the multiplication, we got the 4 expectation. And in this time, we can replace the expectation of N1 and N2 by Rn1 or Rn2 and a constant. Like we see the expectation of N1 times N2, N1 T1, N1 T2. We can get this one, Rn1 tall. Yeah, that's the definition. And also for the expression of N2T1, N2T2, we got this, and replace the expression of N1 to C1, N2 to C2. So finally, after this, and after some trigonometric transformation in this type, we can finally got approved that the RZ T1 T2 is equal to RZ tau. So which means the the ZT is WSS. Now the last question is to find RZ0. We can which is actually shown in the second question. This so we put in the tau 0, we can get this, and this one and this one is can be replaced by this, and this the n1 square expectation and n2 square expectation. So the final expression is this. So that is my result. The question is done. Thanks for watching.